the way Sam does it. Because to me, if you do it the other way, the bees, there's no structure in here or over here. There's nothing to hold it except the cross members. And I have a little doodaddy over here that I got rigged up to on my fishing line. Some people say use the fishing line off your rods and reels, and that's great. But if you ever tried to roll a fishing line off of a rod and reel, and you're going to try to use it again, you know that's kind of hard. Me, I go to Walmart's, or you can go anywhere you want to, but I go to Walmart's because that's the only place around here, and get the cheapest 20-pound Zebco fishing line it is. It's 250 something, 250 feet, 250 yards. Build a little thing over here, pull it tight, find your pliers. Pliers are safer. Cut that off of there, pull that up like that, take it from the bottom and pull that one up, pull that one down, and that way your top string is where most of your weight is going to be. Cut the ends off, and if you want to, you can take your little block of wax, and I'm going to start giving to people when they buy bees, so they got it. But then you can just rub it on that bar. I used to do this different, but I don't anymore. I use a little thing, but I give one of those to people that buy bees. So now that's square, structurally sound. You can use it for the next whenever or forever. Make sure you got the glue. The other glue is dry now, so it doesn't run all out. And these little holes, I don't know if you can see, little holes right here on the end of the top. You got wax moths and beetles can get in there. So if you put a little bit of dab of glue in there, you pretty much be safe. But now that's square and it will stay square. Now when I have to change the foundation in this, what I'll do is I'll put it over my turkey kettle in there, and I'll go zip, 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 zip. And I'll cut through here. Can you see that? Yeah. Anyway, you cut this wire out, you cut the top across this way, and it'll fall into that, and then the staples are a lot easier to get out than nails. You can figure out how to get the nails out instead, but you can just pop these off with a hive tool or a little screwdriver or whatever. Your top bar here is already waxed. Run your new fishing line, clean the holes out. I usually use the drill when I clean the holes out. Clean the holes out, and you ready to go? Yeah. Well, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, October the 16th. If you learn anything, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, it'd be nice. A comment whether you did like it, didn't like it, want to ask questions about it, or tell me something. I mean, I'm up for learning too, you know. I learn every day, and bees is, hey, you learn a lot with bees. Well, y'all have a wonderful day. Like, we're gonna try to put some more videos out on different things now, but it still takes me 24 to 48 hours to down or to upload a video from my house, because They just say that's the way it is. And we have the best there is out here. Well, bye.